Hey guys, it's Lucian Doom here, and I'm gonna have a Nerf war with my dad. So let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Oh, he's coming.
You could have just opened the door and saved me from the nothing and nothing. Run!
He's coming.
I'm so worried, babies. Oh, and I want sweaty meat. Well, it appears they're not here.
He's right now. He's on the stairs.
I guess I'll be going.
Right now, he's by the Get in. So right now, I just had a jam, and here we go. Oh my god. Hey, and I like Arsenal, so yeah, don't judge me. I know where it is. I'm gonna make a run for it. 3. I'm gonna make a run for it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he's up there!
Pause for what? You can pause for me when I get a jam.
Fine. I'll pause when you get a jam. Hey guys, it's Lucian Doom here, and today I'm gonna have again. I'm sorry that my camera girl stopped recording me, and then she just put it down and just went upstairs. I'm sorry. but I had a fun Nerf war with my dad, and I hope you liked most of it. So bye now, and subscribe and